Hi there guys, morning. Our camper dream. It's raining, like it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain and rain and rain and rain. I fixed the sunroof, it's not leaking, so thanks for all the rain. Today I'm busy with the bed lift system and it's a bit difficult with one hand, but yeah, that's the way it's gonna be. Obviously just going to, oh look at that, perfect. But yeah, I'm going to finish it up here nice, close it up so that you only see the little wheel. And yeah, and I've done the other side as well. There's a little cable going through, there's the wheel, and yeah, there we go. It's gonna be nice.